My name is Eric with H&H Exteriors. I'm here at Mrs. Elvia residence, 5250 South Ridgeway in Chicago, Illinois. And here to attempt to repair this damaged shingle. You see this shingle's damaged right here. So what I'm gonna do is scrape off these shingles right here. This one obviously is already damaged. These are easy to get off already. Just scrape off the ones at the top. These are already pretty much easy. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now I'm gonna lift these shingles up a little bit just to see where these nails are. It's a pretty steep roof, so these nails are gonna be hard to take out because of the age of this roof. There you go. These nails are not coming off easy. Here we go. One nail. These nails are hard to take out because of the age of this roof. It's not coming off. This nail's not coming off. It's hard. There you go.
Got it?
Yeah. It's because the nail is not coming off right. They're loose, so here we go. That one came off okay. So starts here, 1, 2, 3. This other one right here, I know there's gotta be a nail. Here we go. That one's gonna be hard to take off too. Here we go. This one too. Carefully lift it up. This nail. It's not coming off. Wow. Here we go. These nails on top are pretty rough. I am not lifting these shingles up as much as I'm supposed to be. Carefully seeing where these nails are. Once again, it's hard. Okay. Go. Oh my Jesus. As you see, okay, as you see, just by taking off the shingles, they're already starting to crack. It's already cracking. Trying to see if I got every nail out. There's one more here stuck. So go. Push it down. These nails are deep in there. There we go.
It should come out.
Should come off already. Okay, off with the old shingle. We're gonna put a new one in. Slide right up under here. Yeah. Put these nails back in. Okay. Beautiful day out. 52 degrees in Chicago. Perfect to do repairs. Perfect weather. That one didn't go in as easy. I gotta get down. All these fell into the gutter. Oh my gosh. Already you're seeing the damage is done just by doing one repair, causing a domino effect, which by me doing repairs is going to cause every single shingle on top to damage. Just doing one repair. This roof is old. It's not repairable. You guys, I understand, paid for 63 shingles on the house, but I am demonstrating that this roof is not repairable. Look at this. See this? Look at that. All these shingles are cracking. All the ones that I took off just by doing one repair here. So therefore, we're asking for a full roof replacement on the house. It's not repairable. It's a lot of deterioration, the brittleness of this. As you guys see, you guys did the inspection. Therefore, we're asking for a full roof replacement on the house. Please take your time to review this video. Thank you.